Here's how to make the easiest and most delicious rice of your life. In the frying pan with a tablespoon of butter already melted, I'll add a cup of rice. Then add salt and a quantity to taste. Now I'll let the rice fry for 2 minutes, stirring it in the meantime. And let me know what your favorite rice recipe is, because I'd love to hear about it. Now pour in the hot water. Cover the pan and let the rice cook over a low heat. Let's move on to the next step. Break 4 eggs into a bowl. And I'll tell you right away that this recipe tastes amazing, people. Very delicious and nutritious, of course. Next, I'll separate the yolks from the whites using a tablespoon. See how easy it is. Add salt to the egg whites, and now I'm going to beat them until they whip into snow. Now beat the egg yolks well. And my friends, make this recipe at home because I'm sure it will surprise you. Now let's first add the beaten egg yolks to the rice. And see that this is the point, people? It's almost cooked, but the water hasn't completely dried up, and I'm stirring until the beaten egg yolks are completely cooked. Once that's done, we can add the egg whites and we'll mix them in until they're all involved in the rice and cooked as well. Now put the lid on and let it cook a little longer. And look, it's ready, people. Look how delicious it is. To give it that special touch, I made the rice in a container. And it turned out like this. You can make it in any container you have at home. And to make it even better, I added parsley and chives. My friends, this rice is very delicious. You have to try it. How would you rate this recipe? So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.